In the tokens lecture, you learned about variables, which are also called as identifiers, which are named memory locations to store a value. You can't name a variable anything you want. There are some specific rules in Java for naming a variable. A variable may have any number of characters. So, such as if you want to name a variable which is storing a number, then you can name it as n or num or number, or you can also write number an infinite times. But remember that you must be naming a variable so that the user can understand what value is being stored in that variable. A variable may contain alphabets or digits, and only two kinds of special digits, which are the dollar sign and the underscore. The underscore can be used in between the characters to separate the words of a variable name, such as if you want to store the number of alphabets in your name, then you can write the variable as number of characters is equal to whatever whichever value 6, such as you can see, this is a very long variable name, and it is not feasible for coding in Java. You must try to keep the variable name as short and meaningful as possible. So you can keep it as num of characters is equal to 6. So as you can see, I've separated the different words using an underscore. You cannot keep spaces between the words of a variable, or else it will give an error. So if I try to run this program and there are two spaces here, then it will give me an error telling me that it is not an allowed variable name in Java. The fourth and the last rule of naming a variable is that the variable name should be meaningful, which easily depicts its purpose, as I said before. So let us say that you want to store your name in a variable. So it is the most meaningful variable name would be name, or you can also keep it as nm or n for short. But keeping your variable name in which you want to store your name as bananas would be a joke. You can't keep your name in bananas. Other people will think you're actually bananas. So this was all for this video. You must keep these rules in mind if you want to name a variable, or else you will get an error. If you use any other sign, any other special digit other than dollar sign and underscore, then you will get an error. So this was all for this video. Thank you and meet you in the next video.